77 feet long, 18 feet wide, 28 feet high. 3 tiers of fun. We're going to go inside, check out the rock wall. It's got a nautical theme, just like you're on a real yacht. Always take off your shoes. Let's go. Alright, so now that you've conquered the rock wall, you're inside the tower. You're on the second floor. 2 options to go up to the 3rd tower, or the crow's nest. We're going to go upstairs first, check out the 3rd level, and see the view. Up here you have a full 360-degree view. We can see a lot of the trade show from up here. You're almost 28 feet high. And totally get a full perspective of what this thing has in store for you. Now you get to look down on the rock climbing wall. It's one of 2 inflatable features that you can put in the insert section. There's a trampoline and airbag system for jumping. And then here you can take the second way down to the 2nd level, and we'll show you the slides. So here you've got 2 parallel slides, dry or wet, they can be used. Put some water on it, add some more fun. Let's give them a try. Now you come out down between the 2 jet skis. These things just add a bit of character, a lot of fun, keep the kids amused. And then if you want, you can take this other staircase here all the way back up and do it all over again. Let's do it. Yacht's a 4 to 5 piece inflatable. It has a hull, a tower section, an insert in the front, which you can change out for 2 different options, like I mentioned. It's all 18-ounce fabric, stitch, and has a coating on it that makes it easy for cleaning with soap and water. It comes down in 4 sections, so it's a little bit easier to clean and make it easier on your team for assembly and disassembly.